The MacBook Pro 2024 is finally here, and it's the most powerful laptop Apple has ever made. But with so many laptops on the market, why should you consider upgrading to this one? In today's video, we'll break down all the reasons why the new MacBook Pro might just be the best laptop you can buy in 2024. The new MacBook Pro 2024 has hit the shelves, and it's turning heads in the tech world. Whether you're a student, a creative professional, or just someone who values a high-performance machine, this MacBook is packed with features that cater to all. Today, we're going to dive into the key updates and reasons why upgrading to this model could be the best decision you make this year. 1. Stunning display and design. Let's start with what you'll notice immediately: the design. Apple has stuck with its sleek, minimalist aesthetic, but the 2024 model takes it to a new level. The MacBook Pro is lighter, slimmer, and more portable than ever. But don't let the slim design fool you. It's more durable thanks to its all-new aluminum frame. And then there's the display. The MacBook Pro 2024 features a 16-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, delivering the best visuals Apple has ever offered. With richer blacks, brighter whites, and stunning contrast, this display makes everything from work to streaming look amazing. It's perfect for video editors, photographers, or anyone who values top-tier visual quality. 2. Performance. M3 chip and beyond. Now, let's talk about performance. At the heart of the MacBook Pro 2024 is the brand new M3 chip, Apple's most powerful processor yet. It's up to 50% faster than the M2, and you'll notice the difference in every task you perform. From editing high-res videos to running intensive software for coding or 3D rendering. Whether you're multitasking or gaming, the M3 chip can handle it all without breaking a sweat. And with improved thermal efficiency, it stays cool even during the heaviest workloads. If you're a professional who needs serious performance, the MacBook Pro 2024 is a powerhouse that won't disappoint. 3. Battery life for days. One of the best upgrades in the new MacBook Pro is its battery life. Apple has packed in a bigger battery, giving you up to 22 hours of usage on a single charge. This makes it the perfect laptop for those long work days or travel without worrying about finding a charger. And with fast charging support, you can get a full day's worth of charge in just 30 minutes. That's right, whether you're working remotely or on the go, you'll never have to worry about running out of power. 4. Magic Keyboard and improved ports. The MacBook Pro 2024 also brings back some fan-favorite features, like the Magic Keyboard. Apple has refined the typing experience to be smoother, quieter, and more responsive. And yes, the touch bar is still gone, making room for the function keys everyone loved. You'll also notice the improved port selection. Apple listened to the users, and now you have an HDMI port, an SD card slot, and multiple USB-C ports, perfect for creative professionals who need access to all their tools without dongles. Should you upgrade? So, is the MacBook Pro 2024 worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're a content creator, professional, or just someone who wants the best laptop experience, this machine is built to exceed expectations. With its unmatched performance, stunning display, and exceptional battery life, the MacBook Pro 2024 is an investment that will keep you ahead of the curve. That wraps up our review of the MacBook Pro 2024. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Let me know in the comments if you're planning on upgrading and what feature excites you the most. See you in the next one.